Hi, I'm Paul. I am a professional kitchen remodeler, resprayer, and I have decided to put this video together, an instructional video, to show people at home what I do and how you can do it as well, reducing the cost and obviously learning a new skill at the same time. So there's going to be about 5 parts to the series of videos, where we will be talking about preparation, what products we use, professional products that you guys can use in your own kitchen, and how to get a good finish in your own kitchen. So sit back, relax, and let me take on a journey where you'll learn something new. I'll be telling you exactly what products to use, exactly what preparation is required, what types of machines you're going to need, what type of spraying technique is the best. It's going to be a complete series designed for people at home so that you're able to do it yourself at home. So again, whether you've got a solid kitchen, solid wood kitchen made of MDF or a different type of material, this series is going to be for you. We're going to be looking at sanding. We're going to be looking at the different types of machines you can use. We're going to be looking at what sanders to use, what type of sandpaper to use, the different grits, and at what stages of the project do you actually use them. We're going to be talking about different wood fillers. We're going to be talking about where you fill, why you fill, different masking techniques, because masking is an extremely important part of the process. And of course, we'll be looking at personal protection, how you can protect yourself from fumes, paint, that type of thing. So that's it. Hopefully you get something out of this video that might persuade you to watch the 5-part series, which we'll be doing over the next few weeks. Also comment if there's anything in particular you'd like. Again, this is going to be designed for people at home that want to upgrade their kitchen without the added cost. You'll learn a lot from this, hopefully, and we'll see you on the flip side.